precious name in all I do and say.
Let me trust you in the valley dark, as well as in the light, knowing you will always lead me. Your will is always right.
I know God makes no mistakes. He leads in every breath I take, along the way that's leading me to home. Though at times my heart would break, there's a purpose in every change He makes, so that others would see my life and know that God makes no mistakes. And when someday in heaven above I see His dear face, may I then be counted faithful as a runner in this race.
But now I'm trusting in my Savior to show me the way. In His righteousness He guides me as I seek to please Him day by day.
I know God makes no mistakes. He leads in every breath I take, along the way that's leading me to home. Though at times my heart would break, there's a purpose in every change He makes, so that others would see my life and know that God